guys, our dads are foundation choir ng ABC Agnus Dei Choir. You are the COO, Chief Operating Officer na organization. Because of you, we will not have a operable choir. We will not run as a choir. And we have seen the sacrifices you have always offered, not only to our Father Yahweh, our Father in heaven, God, but you're also sharing all the blessings that you have. Despite the times that you are sick or you have health issues, you're always there for the organization. And especially your wife, Mami Marcel. So we're very thankful to the both of you. But of course, all thanks to you. It's your birthday and celebrate this day. We wish you good health and more blessings to come. And more blessings and graces. We want that for you and your family. Thank you so much, and again, happy birthday, lads.
Birthday greetings to Kuya Egay. God bless us po.
Happy birthday, Brad Igay. More blessings to you from your former base 2 member of Agnus Dei. Enjoy. God bless.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Happy birthday, Tito Igay.
Happy birthday, Tito Egay.
Happy birthday po.
Sana po mababa po ang inyong buhay para marami pa po kayong mapataba Maraming salamat po sa kabaitan niyo po sa amin, lalo-lalo na po sa mga anak ko. God bless you po and we love you so much po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Hi Kuya Egay, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and salamat sa pagiging generous, being tatay to us also, and yung attitude na ang posture dapat ng puso namin sa pagsusunod. And thank you for being a good example sa amin, and enjoy your day Kuya Egay, and ingat sa pagsasite lagi. Mahal ka. Bye.
Tito Egay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday, Tito Igay. Happy birthday, Tito Igay.
Happy birthday, Tito Egay. Thank you po for everything. Thank you po sa support at effort na binibigay niyo po sa amin. At thank you po dahil tinanggap niyo po ako. Hindi lang po isang bilang miyembro ng choir, bilang parang tinuring na anak niyo po. Thank you po for everything. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po.
Hello po Tito Egay, happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. At gusto ko lang po sabihin na napaka-grateful po namin na na-meet po namin kayo. Maraming salamat po sa mga blessings, sa mga help na naibigay niyo po sa amin. Sana po ay marami pa tayong birthday na ma-celebrate. More bonding with family and friends. And if ever man po ay handa po kaming makabawi at makatulong din po sa inyo. Yun lang po, God bless and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Egay! God bless. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Lalabas ako lahat ulit. Dudungaw ako dali.
Happy birthday Kuya Egay.
Happy birthday sa napakabait kong bayaw. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Kuya Egay. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin, sa pagmamahal at sa guidance na binibigay mo sa amin. May God bless you always. Good health and long life to you and to your family. Thank you so much. We love you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Bro Egay, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa pagiging kuya, tatay, leader ng group. Salamat sa Diyos kasi ikaw yung nakasama namin sa grupo, nakilala ka. So, napakaraming tulong na nagawa mo sa akin at sa lahat ng kakilala mo. maraming salamat. Happy birthday. Ingat ka sa health mo. Dasal ko na sana mas marami pang blessings dumating sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. We love you. Thank you for always giving us the things we need and also even the things we want. And I hope you live very long so that you give us more money.
Daddy! Happy birthday!
Birthday, Daddy.
Ikaw ang foundation ng family natin, ng ADC, ng Eddie, ng Beach Pride. Mahal ka ng nakakarami. More life, love, lots of blessings,